Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog. I'm here with a super quick video showing my Craftelier order unboxing. So it's already getting a little bit dark, but unfortunately I couldn't pick up my package earlier. I went there on Monday and the shop was closed. I went there this morning and they didn't have my package yet, and I just went there again and they finally had my package. But now the sun is almost going down, so it's getting dark, so I have to hurry up. I'll just take you through my order. I have some things in here from Paislee, from We Are Memory Keepers, many more exciting brands that I can use for scrapbooking, and Happy Meal. I will show you what's in this box, and I will also show you a little flip through of the paper pads. Yes, okay. So we opened up this. Also, I ordered all this for my birthday, so that makes it just a little bit more special. Wait, I'm just going to take this box off the table and I'll show you every item one by one. First thing, something I'm really excited about, is pink Paislee Moonstruck paper pad. I will do the flip through a little bit later in the... I dropped it. I will do the flip through a little bit later on in this video. Then we have the We Are Memory Keepers Fuse tool. I can use this to melt. I can't really explain how to use this, but the thing is I can make shaker cards and I'm really excited about that. And I will show you what I do with this in another video. Meanwhile, my cat just jumped in the box. Naturally. The next item I have is this Oh My Heart die cuts from pink Paislee. I will show you them a little bit later. I also ordered a paper and cardboard cutter. I think that's what it's called. Yes. This one is from Artemio. Then I ordered this super cute paper pad from pink Paislee. Again, this one is called Summer Lights. I'll just show you a little preview. Look at these bright summer colors. I'll show the rest a little bit later on in this video. Then I have these cute ephemera pieces, aka die cuts from Maggie Holmes. Again, I'll show you them a little bit later on in this video. I have this, I thought it was also a paper pad, but it's just individual papers. Fly and Scrap from ModaScrap, and they're a little bit watercolor-like. Again, you will see them later on in this video. Then we have a different size paper pad. The other ones before were, I think, 6 by 6 inches. I have no idea, I don't measure in inches. Yes, 6 by 6 inches. This one I think is 8 by 8. Anyway, this is Midsummer Mornings from Tonic Studios. I'm going to show you later. Oh. And then we have a little heart-shaped lollipop from Craftelier. And then this, these are just individual papers that I'm really excited about, because I wanted to order the entire paper pad, but they didn't have them anymore. This one, I don't know from which collection this one is. I'll put the link in the description down below. But I just have this really cute cardboard paper with all the books on it, and I think it's really pretty. And then I have two of these, again from pink Paislee. Both of them are from pink Paislee. I have this one, and I think it's so beautiful. I wanted to have the entire pad, but I didn't have it anymore, so I just decided to order my favorite paper. My favorite design is definitely this one. And I also have a couple of die cuts matching this, so I cannot wait to craft with this. And then I have this FUSEables. These are just some clear sheets that I can use with my new fuse tool. What you can do is, this is just plastic, and then you can make pockets or little shapes with this fuse tool. You can melt the plastic and create whatever you want. So I decided to just get some of this, but I know that you can also use regular photo sheets, you know, the sheets you can use for transporting photos. I know that's also fine, but these were on discount, like most items at Craftelier, so I'm definitely going to play around with that. And then the last item is this lovely die paper pad by Dear Lizzy. And this one is obviously, oh, I had it backwards. I'm kidding. With rose gold and foil accents. I'm really excited about this. Lovely die by Dear Lizzy. I will open this up and then I'll show you. Okay, so I will now show you a flip through of all of the paper pads. First of all, I'm sorry I had to turn on the light because it was getting so dark. So everything looks a little bit more orange than you're used to, but I hope you'll still enjoy it. I will start with showing you the paper pads and then I will end with the die cuts. Okay, so this one is the Moonstruck collection 6x6 paper pad from Pink Paislee, and I will just take you through it. I'll try and do this in an efficient way. And then this one is the Fly and Scrap paper from ModaScrap. They're one-sided like the other ones. Don't mind the background sounds, that's just my cat playing. And then we have the Midsummer Morning. I don't know if this is a paper pack. Yeah, it's stuck. Okay, I will show you. Again, this all has just, all of the papers I showed you so far have just one side, which makes it quite easy to show them. Right. Let me start again. I'm so sorry for my cat, she's just playing with her ball. She behaves quite like a dog sometimes. What I love about Craftelier is that you can get all these amazing craft supplies with such a great discount, usually. And they ship quite fast. I ordered it on Monday, I think, and it was here on Saturday already. I mean, it was in the store at Saturday, and then I couldn't pick it up until today, which is Wednesday. Then this one is one of my favorites. I think Pink Paislee might be my favorite brand for crafting. This one is the Summer Lights collection 6x6. Again, just one side. Whoops. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this one is quite a new collection still. I really like it. Then my last paper pad before I'm going to the die cuts is this one, the big one from Dear Lizzy, from the collection Lovely Day. I really like that they have these accents. And again, this is just one-sided, which is good. I will try to show you as much as possible. Look, this is just gorgeous. Can you, I don't know if you can see it, but check if I can see it. Ooh, I think this is definitely going to be my favorite sheet. let me know which paper pad is your favorite. I thought for me that it would be the Moonstruck one, but this one is actually really, really cute as well. And what I like is that it's really paper, it's not cardboard, so I can use them for envelopes, for cards, for decorating, for in my bullet journal, for scrapbooking. Whoops. This one we've seen. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it has these real light silvery accents. Oh, and this one, rose gold accents, also really cute. My cat is still playing in the background. Again, silvery accents. Cute bunnies. Whoops. Oh, I really love it. I didn't expect to like it this much. And that's it. And now I will show you the die cuts, which is probably my favorite part. I'm going to start, sorry, I already opened them so it doesn't look as pretty anymore. I'm going to start with the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams one. I'm just gonna, whoops, tip it all out. And die cuts are probably my favorite thing to order because I just love going through the collections and love looking at everything that I get. And I especially love flowers, like this one. If you have any tips for collections I should get, please feel free to leave me a message. Or, what is this? Oh, that's so cute. That's a good idea, actually. Please feel free to leave me a comment down below or send me a message on Instagram or YouTube. Oh, this is cute. It's actually like multiple layers, which I've never seen with die cuts before. I'm just showing you one by one. Oh, this one's stuck. Oops. Again, multiple layers, which I really like. But I also love making those myself. I don't know what this is. Oh, and then we just have a bunch of tags and papers and oh, really cute. This one is my favorite. A little map. I will have to clear this up later. Those over here, and then I'll just show you the pink Paislee. Which collection was this again? Da-da-da-da. Pink Paislee, Oh My Heart. Die cuts. Come out. Okay, oh, I love it. So many flowers. This is really my style. I love anything floral, anything botanical. This one I like. And this one with the gold foil accents. Feel beautiful today. I definitely will. Oh, I love those gold accents, you know. Rose gold. Now is the new later. This is so cute. That's my cat. Yes, Noose, I love you too. Mom life. Well, I'm not a mom yet, so I will have to send that to my mom. Little fox. Oh, little socks. Let's stay home. Oh, this is my life. Little phone, books and more books. Again, that's my life. Yes. Little tag, a little collage, and a little card. So I really quickly took you through everything I ordered. I'm super happy, as you could tell, probably. And I hope you like these items too. If you would like any more specifics on these items, feel free to shoot me a message. I will try and link everything, names and brands in the description down below. But if I missed anything, feel free to notify me. I hope you liked this video. It was a little bit different than it normally is, but I hope that you also like flipping through these papers as much as I do. And I will probably see you later. Okay, bye bye.